Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here in TC2000. And let's start right here with searching for a nice share that we want to trade on. So let's do right here the HCA. And then what we're going to do is we select right here on buy, and then we do buy HCA. Then what we're going to do right here is click here on this arrow, and then you see right here the attach profit target and the attach stop. So what we're going to do right here is we disable the attach profit target, and now we select right here the attach stop, where we can fill in right here a percentage where we want to create our stop loss on. So let's say our attach stop is 10%, then we do buy HCA with stop, and then we click right here on the warning, and then you do place order. But before doing this, it's very important to select right here your quantity in shares or in dollars. So let's say I want to create an order of 50 grand. Then you select right here the order. Then we do right here market. And then if you click right here on the arrow again, you see that we are having a attach stop right here again for 10%. So that's very important to know. Then we click here on buy HCA with stop, click on this one, buy order. And then right now we created right here a nice order with the stop loss right here. So this is how you can create a stop loss in TC2000. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.